The moment you feel bored and reach for your phone, you're stealing from your own brain. Think about the last time you sat in silence. Nearly sat in silence. No phone, no podcast, no background noise, just you and your thoughts. How long did it last before the discomfort kicked in? Like 30 seconds? A minute? And then almost automatically your hand reached for the phone because boredom feels so wrong. It feels like wasted time, like your brain is offline and doing nothing. But here is the thing, in that moment, your brain was not offline. It was just getting started on the most important work it does all day, and you interrupted it. When your brain has nothing external to process, it activates something called the default mode network. And that default mode network is quite extraordinary. This is the system responsible for creativity, problem solving, self reflection, and making connections between the ideas that your conscious, focused mind would never find on its own. Every breakthrough idea you have ever had in the shower, every solution that arrived out of nowhere on a walk, every moment of sudden clarity that solved a problem you had been stuck on for weeks, that was not just random. That was your default mode network finally getting the space to run, and it only runs when you're doing nothing. But here is what is happening to most people right now. Every spare second is filled. Waiting for coffee, scroll. Walking to the car, listen to podcast. Sitting in traffic, listen to music or audiobook. Lying in bed, use your phone. We have become so uncomfortable with doing nothing that we have accidentally switched off the most powerful processing system our brain has. We are so busy consuming other people's thoughts while we have stopped having our own. And we wonder why we feel creatively empty, constantly overwhelmed, and unable to think clearly. Because you're not bored. Just be bored, not for an hour, 10 minutes, no phone, no input, just you with yourself. Walk without headphones, sit with your coffee without scrolling, stare out of a window and let your mind go wherever it wants to go. It will feel uncomfortable at first because your brain is addicted to stimulation, but push through that discomfort because on the other side of it is the version of you that thinks more clearly, solves problems faster, and has ideas that actually surprise you. Follow because your best thinking does not happen when you're consuming, it happens when you finally stop. Thank you.